Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the list of servers in the Turbo VPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then just click on the server list button, and as you can see here you will find all the available servers, and if you just click on them and then click on the server, then you can just connect to it and then disconnect it anytime. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.